Okay, so this video is going to talk about how to process some of the test images that were included with your second software. Um, so the first thing that I will have you do, though, because some computers might not let you programs write to the program files directory, I'm going to recommend you take your test images, which are in your Case Western second application directory, and you can just right click those and say cut, and I would recommend moving those to the desktop. Okay, I've got a folder set up here called demo, and I'm going to drop files here. Okay, once they're transferred, let's go ahead back to our second program, and we can go up here to File, Open. But maybe before I do that, let me just show you how this is laid out. So up here we have a file menu structure. So File Open, File Close. Setup is going to be where we set up all of our annotations. So where we define our hole dimensions and any exclusions. So an exclusion would be something like a bubble or some kind of tear or other artifact that we can easily identify and does not belong in our image. And if we don't want to scrap the whole slice, as long as the exclusion is far enough away from the main action where the hole is, then we can exclude it. Okay, then analysis is going to actually run through and calculate our intensities. And then review is just a built-in way to compile the data and run some quality checks. All right, so we're going to go to Open. And we have to navigate to our file, which is on the desktop, in the demo folder, test images. Okay, and so the way we organize our data is that each slice is going to have its own folder. And within each folder is going to be a set of grayscale 16-bit TIFF images, one for each channel. So here we have Fitzy, which is green, Dappy, blue, and bright field. But note that these are all grayscale, so these are not blue colored. Most of the microscope softwares will allow you to export as an RGB, so these are colored green. They will not work with this program. It has to be a grayscale monochrome image. You can convert, if you have a green, red, blue image, you can convert that using another software, either MATLAB or ImageJ. Okay, but assuming we have several channels that are 16-bit grayscale TIFFs, we can select those.